Shah is here at GCA, and all my friends are now asking me in Konkani to kenna म्हणल्यार आसतलो kenna वचपाचो कितल्यांक वचपाचो just in the
Oh, this is up in the air. Ankush Bains, a chance of getting out, and first wicket down. Goa Lions striking in the very first over. First time to Amok Desai. Oh, this is up in the air. Oh, dropped it. Amok Desai has come for the...
obviously. This time, what exactly nearly wickets, especially when you have the players like Prithvi Shaw and if they are batting very well in other matches. This time again we have to wait and watch, and another wicket down.
This is the third day. Very well driven there, but only... This is up in the air once again. This should be fourth wicket. And once again another wicket down. They are falling thick and fast here, Indian Oil batsmen.
It's one single delivery. Oh, they're around 120, 130 at least from here. Maximum, as the is already on the batting side. The bowling side will be saying we are just taking it very... So that's the start of the fifth over, and the viewers who have just switched on the... Once again, Amok Desai into the attack. The ball was a little bit in the air. It's racing towards the boundary. Can fielder cut it off? Yes, he will. We'll have to another cracking delivery. We'll get a single though. 50 plus runs in 6.4 overs. So that's not the thing. What this time in the air? Who will come in and edit that? Yes, it is. Fifth wicket down, and half a side is now going.
Surface, maybe that has troubled. Other than that, this time it's outside edge, and finally a boundary after. This time it's outside edge, and finally a boundary after a long time from the bat. The one that gives him, or generates that pace for him. Started on a good note, on a positive note. In the right channels. This is up in the air. Will it be taken? Fielder underneath it, and he drops it. Almost curtains for Indian Oil. Oh, misfield there. To certainly get a single. Oh, wonderful shot down the ground. Is it taken just about? Oh, please, or the ball getting a little bit more bounce on the television. That time you come to know. This time just more bounce, slower ball there. Going for the second run, chance of a run out, and very well completed. This is in the air, and it's taken. Taken by the bowler himself. The 7 runs in his 2 overs so far. Suyash bowling the 15th over, change of pace. Or maybe we can see the second innings as well, how the pitch is behaving. Definitely. Oh, what a catch! Definitely. Oh, what the loss of 7 in 15th over. On if they lose, they just have to curse themselves. And there are high hopes, more chances. Oh, that's a poor ball. Very well kept there by in the very third over. And that is where they lost a plot in the match. The highest level that anyone can play, he will definitely be, and they have not shown any signs of fatigue. This is played down the third man region with an open batter. finish this off as fast as possible. Lesser the runs, better for Goa Lions. And between any batsman. It was just a ray of hope when, finally a boundary after. Once again, back-to-back boundaries. 78 for the loss of it. Capitalized on that and scored more runs. 19 runs in 17 balls is the partnership. Once again, a Chinese cut inside edge and unlucky. See the replay there. That was so close. That was so close. Bowler will definitely feel unlucky. Felix Salemao. Most of the captains nowadays win the toss and elected to field first. This is a wonderful shot. This goes for a boundary. This is we need to count highly over here when we have got already a boundary of the first ball. And this time unlucky here. 3 for 13 so far for Umang Desai, captain doing the job, leading from the front, and once again what a fantastic shot there. 3 for 13 so far for Umang Desai, captain doing the job, leading from the front, and once again what a fantastic shot there. Didn't bat like a 3 for 13 so far for Umang Desai, captain doing the job, leading from the front, and once again what a fantastic shot there. Didn't bat like a from the medium pace bowler from Goa Lions. This is up in the air and gets a boundary. So a boundary once again, boundary. This time what a shot. What a shot. This is the best shot of us in the commentary box. Also the officials. This is also in the air. Is it going for 6? No. He gets a boundary. We'll have a word with the team captain and other players in a short while. This is also a good shot. This is classy batting display here from the number 9.
And oh my God! The 6 is 4 fours, 4 sixes. Left-handed batsman. In the air, there was a chance. If there was one more sleeper, we'll get about. This time. 2 overs, 6 for 1. Goa Lions. They are eyeing on something special. This time straight in the hands of a fielder. Amit Verma departs and now Goa Lions in a trouble here. It's 6 for 2. Amit Verma, the star performer, departs. This time straight in the hands of a fielder. This time. And oh my God. You just cannot do anything. So he will be eyeing to do something very, very great. And as far as Kiran Waj is concerned, he's also keeping the wicket. So he will be. To all our viewers, once again, I am Saidat Kamath from the commentary box. Excellent delivery, excellent shot, and we'll get boundary for it. Kiran Waj, that's why. Last ball of the over coming up. And it's. This time straight into the hands. And of next, and some tea and coffee along with Foster's water. We can just enjoy. This time, once again, a good looking shot. And nobody down.
They got 111 runs. And batting is deep down for Goa Lions. That is one aspect. This is up in the air, and we have to wait. All the spectators, don't go anywhere. I'm telling you, this match will go right down the wire. Oh, what a ball! This was right in the zone, and this is a poor delivery and placed a person in the slips. Oh, that was a wonderful, right on the spot. Just in the good length area where the spinner needs to bowl. Oh! Lucky escape for Goa Lions here. This time he finds the gap. This is what happens. A chance to be rest assured. Goa Lions will be in a winning position. Oh, this is up in the air. This is commentator's curse. Just a moment. He should have played it down the ground, and Rajesh Pawar, the captain, striking gold, getting rid of Kinan Vaz. Fifth wicket down for Goa Lions at a score of 29. Excited. If one more wicket falls down over here in another 5 or 7 runs, things will be very difficult for Goa Lions. This is down the leg side, and as is Dipraj Gaonkar. This is very well played down on the mid-wicket region. Beautifully timed shot, finding the gap to perfection sensibly enough. And they need to carry on for further 4-5 overs. This is a good shot. Will it be taken? And it's hit it with force. It just timed it beautifully. Simple, pure, plain timing. They can land the ball at a longer distance. And Spinal Shah that has come on to bowl and very well fielded down the third man region for 2 runs. That is the reason why he has opted for Spinal Shah. This is the reason I was telling you, he is not a regular bowler, but one more 6. Oh, that's a wonderful shot. What a shot. Just shook their wicket.
Oh, flashy shot. Thick, the ball will race away to the boundary. And the game away from Indian Oil Corporation. Lovely shot on the back foot. Excellent boundary coming up every ball that they face. And looking brilliant. Oh, thick edge, intentionally played. Though there was a dive from the wicketkeeper, the ball will race away. What a find for Indian Oil Corporation. Oh, good square cut. The ball this time is racing away to the boundary and rising delivery from Tit Seth. But on 7. Lovely shot. No fielder there. The ball will race away to the boundary. Vaibhav Gomenkar. Beginning of the 18th over. 104 for 5. Anant Tambekar. Lovely shot. Straight down fall of the wickets. Beauty they have recovered. That only shows. Oh, lovely shot. Nice and straight down the ground. A big sixer from Stan Kautenkar. And go on.
This is lovely shot by Swapnil Singh. Nobody can catch it. In the upcoming 10 overs. This time, oh my God, that's Can Fielder cut it off? No, he cannot. You can see this time, as I said, he goes up in the air and it's out of here.
Ball. And this is up in the air, but this time very well played. Wonderful timing, wonderful placement. 1-6 was hit on the roof. Oh, this is straight down the ground and a cracking shot. This time short ball, so Ripal Patel is the man who is at the back foot and finding the gap to perfection. Praveen Gupta. This time in the air. Oh, that is massive. That is big. And when the time comes, he has hit a 6 of the last ball to win the match for D.Y. Patil. Oh, this is a good shot and just over the head of long on fielder for his head. What a shot! What a stunning shot! This should go for 6 once again. Suhail Sharma has been taken. So something to worry for ONGC first time in this tournament. This is very well come on to bowl because he wanted a wicket here. Oh, this is up in the air and once again another 6. 3-6. Fire, playing beautifully. Oh, is it going for 6? What a player! Just short of boundary, but definitely get up. Oh, this is up in the air. Bowler himself underneath it. Will it be taken? This is going to be a difficult one. And it's dropped. It is not going to be easy to chase for ONGC. Once again in the gap and fiercely struck. 40 runs, 41 to be precise. Oh, this is struck beautifully and is it taken? Look at the catch station for the last over. Oh, this is up in the air and a 6. Very, very valuable knock here in the context of the match. This is once again massive shot straight down the ground. Patel's caliber is hitting it out of the park almost every ball. This is down the ground. They will certainly go for 2 or Iqbal Abdullah S too high for 2 and 4 runs. Doesn't have a clue where to bowl the next ball. 18 runs. My God, what an over. 175 for the loss of 7. What a match we are seeing. This is 55 for the loss of 7. What a match we are seeing. This is probably the highest score of this tournament. One more ball left and this is the last ball and finishes off on style. This is the biggest. This is a mighty. More work here for match referee and the 4th umpire. That was a full toss. Poor piece of bowling from Praveen Gupta. 24 runs of the last over. And
Shot of length stoppage and there is a man. He will just be a spectator. Pulled and pulled beautifully and he... Look at that. This is exactly what I was talking about. And coming down the track and got hit. No field there, so the ball will travel to the boundary. Oh, the top edge and the ball will just fall away from Baltej Singh. Oh, good shout, and yes, the finger goes up towards the sky. You're just angling it on the back foot and looking for 2 here. Now, end of the power play was lovely shot, good flick away. No man there, the ball. That's the reason you can see here a lot of noise coming out from background. This could be a miscued shot and there is a fielder beneath it. It could be another wicket here for ONGC. Oh, slightly in the leg side and played. Not sure from the bat. Wicket early on. Nicely played. With a little bit of...
This time, once again, the ball was little bit in the air. Excellent delivery once again. He's trying to take the chances. Can fielder cut it off? Yes, he will this time. Iqbal Abdullah into the attack. In the air. Can fielder cut it off? No. From the commentary box of Goa Corporate League. This time in the air. Where it goes, where it goes. And once a kind of a batting, ONGC will be hoping for. Excellent delivery and misses it. Will get a boundary for that. In 11.5 overs, one ball still left to end the 12th. And just look at the action replay. Oh my God. The first match of the tournament against Vijaya Bank. This time in the air. What's the action? And what an outstanding.
For any batsman of any class, that was the batting side Australia. Meanwhile, back to this match. This time inside edge, but very well. Would have certainly gone for 4 runs. Mayank Rawat trying his effort, trying all the shots that he has, but nothing has been given by encounter. Vijay Shankar bowled a wonderful over, and India managed to win it. And what a shot! Fantastic here from the toughest side to beat. Oh, this is up in the air, but going down the third man region, and he gets the boundary to stay on the back foot. This is in the air. This should be 6. Telling you, he can hit those lusty blows. This is one of those. This was high in the air. Didn't get the connection that he would have liked, but for him, it had. In the context of the match, Mayank Rawat is the key. This is once again, what a shot! Here, Lakshay Thareja. Look at the replay. Short ball, this is almost a slap. Just like a slap. Once again, this time, straight to the fielder. Should get only a single. So he has spent. What a shot! What a shot! Mayank Rawat, take a bow. Take a bow. I have become your fan today. It's not a bad ball. This is in the context of the match. Slower ball, and that to a slower short ball is a very good ball. Very well bowled, very well fielded. The batting side, you never know. 12 runs is very much possible with Mayank Rawat is batting. Man, they turn up every time when there is crisis, and here they require to win the match. Oh, and he's clean bowled. He has clean bowled Mayank Rawat, but they will take it anyhow. This is the wicket they were hoping for. And look at this is bad luck, hardly bad luck, total bad luck. If he had gone it down to fine leg region, much finer, this would have gone for 4 runs. This is why he is the best bowler in DY Patil's side. The wide signal by the leg umpire. This time, cracking shot. Straight down the ground like an arrow. Moves on to 165 for the loss of 5. 1 ball remaining. 17 runs required of 7 balls. This time just a single. So 16 required of 6 at this stage. Oh, that is poor. In the Yorker length delivery. A lower full toss also will be a good ball. Let's wait and watch. This time catch. This is the reason why India player who has played for Indian team. Oh, this is once again. This is in the air. Once again a slower ball. Will it be taken short of the fielder? Oh, appeal there from Mandeep Singh, but this is a standard that someone has to set for himself. What an over from Mandeep Singh. What a player. 1.5 overs in the context of the match. 1 for 10 and what a shot. Shot, but it has come too late. But this is probably the best match we have seen. 182 was the target, so they are falling short of just 2 runs. Mayank Dagar hit that last ball for 6 runs.